Hi, my name is Sharad Sharma and I've been an avid traveler and a very keen motorcyclist for as long as I can remember. But what I couldn't remember were the details of my trips. For instance, where did I go? Where did I eat? Where was this photograph taken? Or how many kilometers in a day did I travel? And when I came back from my trips, I was too tired or maybe lazy to chronicle my stories. But now there's something that allows me to do that without a problem. The KOGO travelbot. Now you could also be a very keen car tripper or a trekker or even a cyclist. You really ought to check this out. Let's take a closer look. The KOGOBOT travels with you and records where you go. It's like a little black box that has its own SIM card and sends travel data to the KOGO cloud. And that's where the magic begins. The KOGOBOT pairs with the KOGO app on your phone and begins to write your travel story automatically and in real time, whether you're in network range or not. But more on that later, but for now, let's unbox the KOGOBOT. So here's the KOGOBOT. What it contains is a GPS tracker, its own battery, and a data SIM card. But you don't have to worry about them. Everything's activated out of the box. All your data goes from the device to the cloud and is accessed through the KOGO app on your phone. So the device doesn't interfere with your phone's data or battery. But anyway, enough of the tech talk, let's get down to what else is in the box. So this is the magnetic charger that comes with the device. Simply click it here, plug it into your device, and it starts charging. While the battery is charging, the red light here blinks quickly. Once it settles down to a slow blink, your battery is fully charged. Besides the charger, there's something else magnetic in the box, the snap-on magnetic base. So, if you want to travel light, simply snap it on like this and slap it on your bike's tank, and it will sit as securely as a tank bag. The last items are a screwdriver and extra screws. You'll need the screwdriver if you ever need to change your SIM. We'll address that in a separate video. The screws, well, we all know what it's like when we're on the road. Spares always help. But if you're not going out of Indian borders, just leave the whole lot at home. You won't need them. And that's it. Your KOGO is up, running, and ready to be paired with your phone, which we'll be showing you in the next video. So stay tuned.